So it's the second week of this vlog thing. It's currently Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday. Here's a message. Just woke up. I didn't have anything to film Monday. It was basically my birthday. One of the restaurants that I was supposed to go to today, turns out it's not in my city, because I was instructed, because I get like a table with a lot of pizza, and it says the city, and it says it's in Cluj-Napoca, but apparently it wasn't. So yeah, that's interesting. So today is gonna be a pretty chill day. I have some calls to make, and tomorrow I have a restaurant, and the day after tomorrow is the live stream event. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. But until then, I guess today I'll just chill, do some gaming, maybe edit last week's vlog, even though I'm trying to get someone to edit some more stuff for me, and maybe I'll give them the vlog as well. But yeah, until then, it's gonna be a chill day. I'm gonna stay inside because it's way too cold to go anywhere. And yeah, here with the coffee and a bit of cake. Cool. It was a pretty interesting shoot today at the restaurant. It was a food truck basically. I basically took the photos for the delivery apps, and they gave me a lot of food for free, so thank you, Rachel. And it's finally snowing, and snowing quite a lot, even though there's no clouds. So right now we are going to the esports event to film, to actually live stream, I think. So yeah, I hope we get there in one piece, because this snow is getting more and more dense. So we're finished with the gaming event, finally. It's 7 p.m, it's Friday. Basically I'm done with work for this week, hopefully. I've got a small event I want to go to tomorrow. It's an anime event with a watch party and a lot of merch stuff, so we'll see what we can find over there. And basically that's it for the work part of this week. It's been a pretty productive one as well, just like last week. I hope I'll get to edit the video, because I am very, very tired right now. I'm very sleepy. But yeah, that's kinda it. I've talked to the guy that hired me. Seems like I might get hired again for this job, and maybe make it recurrent, because that's basically my goal, to get recurring clients and recurring projects.